Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. What I'm doing right here is, because I had to put this transmission apart and back together again, we're going to do a few little tests which I neglected to show on my last video series of working on this very same transmission. But we're going to see, this here is the direct drive clutch pack, and what we are going to test is to see if the seals are working and everything. This is the pump. We're going to put this direct clutch pack on there, and checking the bushing, you should not have much wobble at all. I don't know if you can see that, but that's actually within specs. So the bushing inside here, this bushing is still good, and it should be. It's new, but didn't wipe out the bushing. Okay, so what we're going to do is right here, this I'm sorry, this one right here, if you can see the clutch, let me double check because I was messing around with everything. All right, you should be able to see this clutch operate. Let's see if I got you set up good. Yeah. Let's get you a little bit better angle here. There we go. Okay. Using about 75 psi, and there's no air leaking. What you hear, that air coming out, is because it has nowhere else to go, so it's slipping past here. And that's exactly how it should work. That is exactly how it should work. So now, we're going to try the forward clutch assembly. I'm going to add a little bit of lube here to these seals. Help them seal up. And these, again, are new old stock seals that is on here. So, yeah, let's try putting this together the proper way. I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I had to move everything because I have a hole drilled in my workbench for the shaft to go through. And so now we're gonna try the forward clutch pack and see how that works. And this one, you want to put a rag and put it on your hand, or put your hand over it, because if it's done right, it's going to want to jump out of here. So let's see if I did it right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good, and there's no air leaking. That's a good setup. Yeah. Yeah, and it's hard. I know it's hard for you to see, but you can see these clutches in here, and I have to be careful with the air so I don't launch this thing. But see those? Yeah. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, if I do just a little bit of air, you can see the clutch pack. There we go. You can see the clutch pack itself moving. So that's a solid unit now. That is, everything is working fine. That's how it's supposed to work. Yeah, and I have the shop air here set at 75 psi. And as you can see, it don't even take that much, and there wasn't any leaking. So those seals are good. And some of them too, inside, that I did not take apart. Those seals were from Damien. first responder garage, and I certainly do truly appreciate that, my friend. That thing is sealing good. There's no leakage by it. So let me get my butt back together, or get my butt in gear and get this back together. I wanted to show you all that testing so that y'all can, if you are stupid enough to rebuild one of these transmissions at home by yourself, like I am, without any experience, this is what I've learned, you know, and this is how you test it. And there's only a couple videos out there that actually show this, so I'm trying to add to the information packet. So anyway, y'all have a good day. Whew. Be safe, be careful. I'm getting my butt back to work here, and yeah, then I'm probably gonna have a few beers. All right, thank you all. Y'all take care, and I appreciate everyone subscribing. Thank you so much. This channel is growing big time, and I really do appreciate it. And I appreciate all the help everyone has given me with this transmission. Y'all take care.